a very important question for your upcoming prelims examination, and that is the only wildlife sanctuary in India known for preserving the Indian grey wolf. The correct answer here is the Latehar district, where the sanctuary is known as Mahua Dhanar Wolf Sanctuary, and this is located in Jharkhand. Now, one of the very important things that we need to know about Indian wolf is relatively more secretive, so it is smaller in size, more leaner, more adapted to the nearing elements, usually live in dry grassland area, but has been always threatened. Now, some of the major factors that have led to classification of Indian grey wolf as endangered includes the loss of habitat, the reduction in the prey that they can find, and the expansion of the human settlements in the region. So there has been a twofold strategy which includes government involvement, where sanctuaries are being identified to protect the legal areas, local tribes are being there to preserve the danning sites, and ultimately leading to a safer breeding grounds. Now, these wolves are active most of their time from November till February, which is considered as their active breeding season. However, the ideal time to visit is either after it or before it. So somewhere in the month of October or after February, in the months of March to June are some of the good months to visit the region. Now, the studies have said that some of the areas are specific where these Indian wolves are found. These are the steep slope areas, dense shrubs, or the areas where sal trees are found in abundance. Now, it's not just the Mahuadhar wolf sanctuary, but the nearby areas which include the Netarhat, which is known as one of the major hill stations in the region, Lodh Falls, which is considered as the tallest waterfall in the regions of Jharkhand, and the Betla National Park, which is known for its rich biodiversity, are all close to the Letarhar district, Jharkhand, where the Indian grey wolf wildlife sanctuary is there. So a very, very important topic for your upcoming prelims. We will be covering more interesting topics for your prelims. Stay tuned, stay updated. Have a great day.